Timothy 2. Here is Mr. Samples, your teacher of mathematics. So you are Timothy 2 in grade 8. So you know that I'm a teacher of mathematics. And you know today we have statistics. You know we're going to study probability. You know some teachers and professors, they apart probability. They teach statistics apart, probability apart. But you know, in statistics, you can also have probability is one of the part of statistic. Okay, today we start an introduction of probability. That's why we say, what is probability? Probability is probability of an event. If you have an event that we can name it E, is the chance of an event E to be happen, or the chance to see the event E to be occurred. Okay. So it's what we call probability. Do you understand? Very good. Now, what is the formula to find probability? The probability of the event E is the number of outcomes favorable to the event E and over number of all possible outcomes of the experiment. So I'm going to explain by this example, okay? Let's suppose that I have a bag. This is a bag, okay? And in the bag, there are some markers inside of the bags. Like here you see, in a bag, there are 4 blue markers. I'm going to count with you. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And they say 3 black markers. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, and 1 green marker, 1 green marker, and 2 red markers, 1 and 2. So this is, I can have my event E. I say, what is the probability to have the red marker? So the chance to see that event to be happen is what we call probability. So randomly, you just have one of the marker. This is a black. So we can calculate the probability to see the black marker when you take randomly in the bag. Okay? So we can use this with the same. What is the possible way we can have to have this marker? So we can solve. They say here the question is, in a bag there are 4 blue markers, 3 black markers, 1 green marker, and 2 red markers. Find the probability of getting randomly a red marker. Solution. We have to know first the number of all of the possible outcomes. How many markers are over there? That is all the possibility we may have. We can count 4 plus 3 we have 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 10. So the total number that we have is 10. Now for number one, what is the probability for us to have which color? Red, the red marker. So the formula is there, the number of the outcome that is favorable for the event E. So how many red markers are over there? 2 divided by 10. So it will be 0.2. That is the probability. We can also write it in a percentage. So we can say the probability to have the red marker is 20%. Number two, what is the chance for us to get a blue marker? Very easy, you go with me. The probability to have a blue marker, you take how many blue markers are over there? 4. Divided, the total is 10, so it is 0.4. We can write it as a percentage, 40%. Very easy. So you have 2 exercises here. Find the probability of getting a heart in a game of 52 cards. Number 2, suppose we throw a die once. What is the probability of getting a number greater than 4? B, what is the probability of getting a number less than 4? So we have finished the introduction and how you can calculate probability. So on the next occasion, I'm going to show you some other parts and some other properties if you are and you want to master this good chapter of probability. So may God bless you. If you want to sneeze or cough, use a hellebore. If you want to go out, wear your mask and wear also your gloves. And don't forget to protect yourself during this pandemic of coronavirus. May God bless you and may God bless your family. Mr. Simplest at Spring of Life Christian School. Goodbye.